What's going on, guys? Cool Trainer Camilo here. Today is September 20th, 2024. I have in my hands the Apple Watch Series 10, and today we're gonna unbox it. Last week, Apple held their September keynote where they announced the new Apple Watch Series 10, a new color for the Apple Watch Ultra 2, some new updates for AirPods, and of course, the new iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. I typically only upgrade my Apple Watch every 4 years so that I can get like the most out of all the updates that come out over all the years. I currently have the Apple Watch Series 6, and I love using the Apple Watch in my day-to-day life. I really like having the notifications on my wrist and not having to pull my phone out for every single notification that I get. I also can't believe it's the 10th anniversary of the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch Series 10 has what Apple's calling is a new design. It's 10% thinner than the last model, so I'm actually really looking forward to seeing how that feels on your wrist. And now your Apple Watch can give you sleep apnea tracking. The screen is brighter and has better viewing angles. And a small feature I'm actually really looking forward to, your Apple Watch can now play back media. So if you don't have your phone on you and you just like want to listen to a song really quick, you can actually play the music out of your Apple Watch. But enough rambling, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so I got the camera turned all around. So on the front here, you got Apple Watch. I am shocked how small this box is. Like, I remember when like the Apple Watches first came out, and even when I got my Apple Watch Series 6, that the box was like so big. And I guess they're being so eco-friendly that we get these smaller boxes. So I really love how they do the Apple Watch packaging. So we just open it like this. Ooh, so I did get the new color, the jet black. I usually opt for the aluminum watches. So actually, oh my gosh, that is so thin for this box. It's about as thin as the Apple Watch. And to contrast with the jet black, I did get the Starlight band. So I guess it's like an off-white color. All right, so we'll put that to the side. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll do there's no crispy plastic this time. Okay, the big reveal. Let's do it the right way, this way. Ooh. Wow, okay, I can already see how like shiny it is. Okay, let's see if we can push it out here. Oh, and I already pushed the button, so it's already turning on. That is... Okay, so this is supposed to be even slightly bigger than the Apple Watch Ultra, because the Apple Watch Series 6 was a 44mm face, now we're up to a 46mm face. So shiny. Let's see what else we got in here. Probably a charging cable. And also, great new feature of the Apple Watch is it can charge up to 80% within only 30 minutes. I am definitely gonna try that out because now I can like sleep with your Apple Watch for all the tracking, and then in the morning you just charge it to 80% within like 30 minutes, so you can go about your day. Okay, just your standard woven USB-C charging puck. Okay, let's take a look at the band. So let's put it on our watch band. This is actually really nice. All right, so I'm gonna go through the setup now, and I'll be back in a bit.
A few moments later.
So what was once the biggest size, the 44mm, this one now looks like it's like the small version of the watch compared to the 46mm now. And I really think it looks so nice with it's like the jet black with the white band. This is reminding me a lot of the jet black iPhone 7, which I had. It's actually it's still up on my channel. It's one of the first videos on my channel, me unboxing the jet black iPhone 7. And that phone got a lot of like micro abrasions because it's really just aluminum that they like anodize to get this like glossy black color. It's not like titanium, it's not stainless steel, so much more prone to scratching. So I hope this holds up over the years, but we'll see. Yeah, and I'm just like really excited to like use all the new features. Like I said, I had the Series 6. So I didn't have there was like this new tap feature. I think that was in the Apple Watch Series 8 or Series 9. Can't remember. But it was if someone was calling you, if there was some action for you to do, you could actually just like complete the action by like tapping your fingers. Like if someone's calling you, you can just tap your fingers and you don't have to like actually touch your watch to do it if your hands are full. And the Apple Watch Series 10 does come with some few diving features that were on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. You're not gonna be scuba diving with this watch, so you can't go to like 40 meters like you on the Ultra 2. But you can get some like if you're going snorkeling, like it'll tell you like what your depth is and like what the water temperature is. So maybe I'll use that during this lifespan of this watch. I'm not really sure. The Apple Watch Series 10 also has this new voice isolation feature. So when you're taking calls from the app, it can, I think with the neural engine, it can better identify your voice and pick out any background noise. So I'm really interested to try that out too. But overall, I think I'm the most excited for the fast charging, so I can sleep with the watch at night, check my vitals, and I can just charge it in the morning. And yeah, like the thinness and like the bigger screen is gonna be really nice. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of the Apple Watch Series 10. Are you getting one? Are you staying with your current Apple Watch? And don't forget to super smash bros that like button down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.